In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Ads account without needing to create a new campaign. To do this, just go to the Google Ads website and from there, click Start Now and just going to sign in with your Google account. Then from there, it will say Create your first campaign. So just going to click on that. Now from here, you will need to enter your business info, which is not yet creating the campaign. So you can add a business name. This is optional. And you can then select where should people go after clicking your ad. So you can add a web page URL, a business phone number, or an app download. I'll just add a URL, but you can always change this later. Now just click on Next. And then it will say Link Accounts. You can just skip this if you want. Then they will ask what campaign goal you want. You can also skip this. Then they will ask which campaign type you want, which again you can go and skip. And then what you can do is click on Leave Campaign Creation. Now here, set your billing, country, time zone, and currency, and then click Continue. And then here you can confirm your account and payment settings. So here you can now create a payment profile. And then after you create that, just click Submit, and then you have created a Google Ads account without creating a campaign. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.